forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, Jack. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes.
Nothing wrong with that.
They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all.
That me say. That me say. That me say.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, That Mr. TV. It's your girl Deeza.
Blessings and prayers.
Yes guys, I know it's been a long time, right?
Way back long.
Yeah, I know we haven't posted in a long time. The last post you would have seen from us was in December when we got married.
Yeah,
we put that video out. First of all, let me just say thank you to all the well-wishers, everybody that sent congratulations, you know, everybody that interacted with that video. We appreciate you all.
And prayers.
Yeah, definitely felt the love. So thank you for that. Also, I have to big up everybody in the last year or so, since we've kind of been away from YouTube, that have stopped us in the street. I think we get stopped at least once a week in the street, trust me.
Sure.
By people who are supporters, subscribers, people who watch us, support us. And even those people who have stopped me in the UK, I'll talk all about that, but I've been to the UK quite a lot in the last year. And the people who stopped me on the plane, on the streets, at the airport, like, Deeza, you know, where have you been? Where have you in Outlaw been? Haven't seen any videos from you. Big up yourselves as well. I did promise you all a video, an update. So this is the update video, right?
Yeah, simple.
Yeah.
Not even out. I haven't anything done.
Yes, I don't, like I said, I know it's been a long time, but yeah, we just thought we'll jump on here real quick, give you an update. Yeah, so life has been a life-in, right? Like for
give
everyone.
Thanks to life.
But we give thanks. So what's been happening? So I was actually in the UK for just over a year, like a year and 2 months, a year and 3 months. And that's really why you hadn't seen us. Been working on different things, different projects. So I was away from Jamaica for an extended period of time. Yes, I did come back, and like every 3-4 months I'd come back for a few weeks, like a week or two. But I was actually in the UK, people. You may ask, well, Deeza, what would you do in the UK for a year or over? Guys, I was working. I was a working woman in the UK. Yeah? I was doing a 9 to 5.
Yeah.
People, that's another story, but I was doing a 9 to 5, okay? And the reason for that was not because things weren't good in Jamaica. You know, I was happy in Jamaica, living our life, living our best life. But you know, sometimes when you're trying to achieve certain things, like we're trying to achieve a particular thing. And in order to do that, I just agreed. You know? We had to go out, and I agreed to make the sacrifice to go out to England. Actually, it doesn't even go like that. I actually went to England to attend a funeral. That's why I went to England. And whilst attending the funeral, we just come to the conclusion that while I'm there, let's see if I can hustle, get a job. And fortunately for me, 2 weeks after being in the UK, I got a job, guys. I was working in HR, which I know that's a big deal because you know what the job market is like. Very difficult to get a job. So for me to come to England, get a job 2 weeks after being there, great. I spent 9 months in that job before I moved into the next one. But I'm very grateful. So that's why I was in the UK. I was working, I was hustling. Yeah.
We have to do the thing.
So yeah, but guys, I'm going to insert some clips now because I did take some footage in the UK. Now this was back between 2024, end of 2024 to all of 2025. Yeah, I just came back to Jamaica literally December, January of this year.
Yeah.
No, yeah, December 2025, January 2026 is when I come back permanently. So I'm going to insert some clips now of me in England struggling and battering. Please watch the ads.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Deeza. Guys, I know it's been a long time, right? This is like months since I picked up the camera. Yeah, as you can see, I am not in Jamaica. I am in sunny England. Yeah, I'm in England, guys. Look, I'm wrapped up. It's raining, it's cold, it's horrible. So I'm in the UK. I've been here for quite a while. I think I've been here for like 2 months now. Probably by the time you guys are watching this, I am back in Jamaica. You know, sometimes you have to make moves in silence. Yeah, by the time you guys see this, I'm probably back in Jamaica. But at the moment, I'm in England. And guys, I'm off to work. I am a working woman. yeah, so I didn't really come. Well, I didn't come with the intention to work. I came for a funeral, and then about 2 weeks in of being here, 2-3 weeks in, I got myself a job. So it's temporary. So I'm just gonna hustle, do what I have to do, and come back to Jamaica. You know, come foreign, make that money, and then come right back home. I'm missing Jamaica like crazy. And of course, I'm missing Outlaw. I'm missing the weather. I'm missing the food. I'm missing everything, to be honest. But right now I'm on the grind. You take this off, it's raining. So right now I'm on the grind, people. So yes. But guys, it's just a quick hi, hello, how you doing? We'll catch up soon. We'll sit and reason and talk, yeah? Alright, people, later.
You know, when she always was talking about a bush by there.
Yeah.
Chop one bush and fence up some land.
Yeah.
People them acting to do that all.
Yeah. So update on Outlaw. So that's an update on me. Update on Outlaw. Outlaw no longer does the. Do you remember he was doing school buses? He was driving the school buses, driving the kids, carrying children, as well as obviously our business that Mr. Tours. He's no longer doing that, but he was continuing to do the tours. Yes, guys, we still do the tours. I know we really haven't advertised on here, but we still do tours. People still link us up to take them here, there, and everywhere across the island. Yeah, and lately we've been focused on cleaning land, which we've always done, and fencing. So I'm going to drop a clip here of what Outlaw has been busy doing, right? So I'm going to drop a clip right here.
Corner to the gully though. Yeah. 4 strand wire. Right up. The corner to the roadside that. Yeah, come right down. Corner to the gully. Yeah. The ground on the corner now. On the gully corner. 4 strand go right up. Straight up. Corner. That is it. Right up. 4 strand right up in this corner.
So, yes, I've been in the UK working 9 to 5. Outlaw's been doing the tours and doing clearing land and fencing. Another thing that I was doing, another thing that I had done is go to Ghana. Now, I told you this, I think 2024, I went to Ghana and I put a few clips up. But I went back, guys, a few months after, early 2025, I went back to Ghana. I've got so much footage. So I am going to put them into vlogs, but I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of some of the other things that I did in Ghana. So, right here. Please watch the ads.
See all this trouble here, really.
I'm in the castle behind me, just finished the tour. Absolutely, it's an amazing tour. I encourage everybody, if you come to Ghana, to do the Elmina Castle tour. Learn about the history, learn about what happened to our ancestors. The door of no return. Very emotional, lots of people crying. Yeah, lots of people crying, some people screaming. And they, you know, just the reality of it. But I think it's important because it's kind of like a release, kind of a letting go, personal letting go. Yeah, I'm sure you guys have probably seen like videos of, especially like celebrities doing Elmina Castle tour. I know they're coming out, they're all crying. But it's very understandable why. It's very emotional, but very well needed, and I think also that's important. That's important. Yeah. Elmina Castle, Ghana, 2024. I will be back. Yeah.
So yeah, my peeps, this program has been saying now. And you know, we never left another thing. So now back with the back of the thing now. We are trying to catch up with the thing that maybe not that often.
Yeah.
But yeah. Get back to the business.
Yeah,
No problem with that.
Yeah.
Yeah man, we're in it man.
Yeah, so like Outlaw says, we definitely will be back on YouTube. We will be, you know, putting videos out. I can't promise that it will be the same as it was before in terms of like 3-4 times a week, that consistency. But it will. We will put videos out. We try to put them out, but even if it's a couple of videos every month, and just let you guys know what's happening, what we're up to, and just keep you in the loop, right? Yeah.
Blessed.
So that's really it. It's just a quick, short video to let you know where we're at. Again, thank you so much for your well wishes on our wedding. Thank you so much for your concern. You know, are you guys okay? We haven't seen you. Thank you for always checking in on us.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
No respect.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely appreciate all our supporters. Love you all.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. The next video will be soon, so look out for it. So until next time.
That is it.